everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a Mastercode. Before you add Mastercode, make sure you have create a warehouse in warehouse page. Go to warehouse and add warehouse. Fill in your information. And save. After you have created a warehouse, so you can now create a Mastercode in Mastercode. Add Mastercode. Select the marketplace and store you want. And select the product that you wish to add Mastercode. You can add selected to create Mastercode, and you can also add all to add the Mastercode. If you have duplicate SKU, when you add Mastercode, the product will be added to Unbind list. To convert Unbind to Bind, you can click Buy and create manually. You can also just click on Auto Bind to create Mastercode with another duplicate SKU. After you add the Mastercode, every Mastercode will be on binded list. You can also bind another different SKU to the same Mastercode. Press the Edit. Add product SKU in here. After that, the product will bind with the same Mastercode. This is very useful for sellers who sell on multiple marketplaces and store and wish to manage the stock level to all marketplace and store. Mastercode will become deactivated because of the seller SKU not exist or removed. To activate back the Mastercode, press Edit and insert seller SKU on Add Product Listing. Click Save. After done, the Mastercode will go to Buy the list. This is the video for today. Hope you enjoy this. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe our channel. Bye!